Hello and welcome to our channel, My Simple Remedies. Whether you spend your day at school, work, a club, or home, whether you're standing or sitting most of your day, at the end of a long, exhausting day full of fatigue, you need to take care and pamper yourself a little. If you want to relax, I recommend taking care of your feet first. This remedy helps you to relax, get beautiful pink feet without coarseness, and it's also suitable for any skin type. Before we go ahead, please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool life hacks, remedies, tips and tricks. Now let's go ahead. Before using this remedy, you need to wash your feet thoroughly. For this recipe, you're going to need a moisturizing cream, Vaseline, and pink lipstick residue. If lipstick is not available, use a piece of boiled and mashed beet or red food coloring. 1 large food spoon of each ingredient is enough. A piece of the lipstick or a sprinkle of red food coloring. Mix them all together until you get a pink, creamy mixture. And that's it, the remedy of beauty. As I said before, you'd better clean your feet thoroughly before use, so I recommend an old but effective method. Put 3 liters of warm water in a large deep pot. Then add 3 large food spoons of apple cider vinegar. Soak your feet in for half an hour. Then rub your feet with pumice stone. It's important to know how to properly use pumice stone. If you're not careful, you might remove too much skin, cause bleeding, or increase your risk of infection. While you're soaking your feet into the mixture we mentioned above, also soak your pumice stone in warm water. Never use a dry pumice stone on your skin. Next, rub the abrasive side of a pumice stone over your skin in a circular motion with light pressure. Massage your skin for 2 or 3 minutes. If your skin begins to feel sensitive or sore, stop immediately because you're most likely using too much pressure. For your feet, focus your attention on your heels, the sides of the toes, and other dry areas you may recognize. Repeat 3 to 4 times. Now, wash your feet with tap water. Next, dry your feet softly. Now is the moment that you can apply the cream you made before on your feet and let it stay overnight. You cannot imagine how beautiful, smooth, pink, and coarseness-free feet you're going to have next morning. You will not stop using it, and for sure, you will be so proud of your clean, beautiful, and attractive feet. Regardless of whether you choose closed shoes or open sandals, heels or flats, you will feel clean, beautiful, and relaxed if you do it 4 times a week. All these steps that we mentioned before help your feet be free of any microorganisms that might cause infections and scars on the skin and damage the shape of the nails. This remedy is a stay clean, stay beautiful, and stay relaxed trick. Don't ever skip doing this routine, even after a long, tiring day. And if you just love the results, share your feedback with me and everyone who might benefit from this truly miraculous remedy. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this remedy, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. See you in our next video. Until then, bye-bye.